Hey everybody, today I am talking about mature skin. So if you are 20 years old or older, stay tuned. I'll be right back. Hey everybody, thank you so much for joining me today. I'm going to be talking about mature skin. Now, experts recommend using appropriate skincare to prevent signs of aging starting in your 20s. That was a little bit of a shocker when I first found that out, but it is a good thing to know. Now, anti-aging skincare is meant to slow the aging process and lighten the effects of aging. It's not exactly a miracle in a bottle that's going to make you look like a teenager for the rest of your life, but as you age, at least you won't look as old as you could. Mature skin typically begins around age 35, although you may see faint signs of aging before then. It could start in your 30s. It really depends on how much sleep you're getting, how much water you're drinking, and whether you're in the sun a whole lot or exposed to the elements. Now, before aging is obvious, it's important to use protection from the elements, such as covering your skin with clothing, using an SPF, and even moisturizer plays a part in protecting skin from environmental aging. It's really important to cleanse properly. You want to wash your skin with a gentle cleanser that doesn't strip it of natural oils in the morning, especially before applying makeup, and again in the evening. Double cleanse if you've been wearing makeup. Next, moisturize. Small molecule oils bring nourishment to the deeper layers of your skin, and large molecule oils create a protective barrier and help soften skin. So unless you've had hormonal acne, you really want both. Tone. Tone your skin to help reduce signs of aging in some ways that active ingredients promise without being harsh to your skin. Now, a toner doesn't replace active ingredients, but sometimes you can still get similar reactions or similar improvement from using just a good toner. Now, don't put something on your skin that you'll have to repair it from later. That is very important, and that's something that I have found myself saying more than once. Don't use something that you're going to have to fix later. Pay attention to your ingredients. Now, to reduce fine signs of aging, if you're starting to notice signs of aging, you're in a good place to delay further signs. All of us are in a different age at a different rate, depending on our climate, pollution, hormone levels, and even genetics. When you start to notice signs of aging, decide what you want to do about it. You may want to change a few things in your routine and look hard at your ingredients. Are you using products that include alcohol in their ingredients list? That will cause your skin to keep drying out. Now, alcohol is something very important to watch for. It comes in a variety of ingredient types and ingredient names. The best way to know what's in your ingredients is to look them up. But keep an eye for alcohol. The reason why a lot of product producers put alcohol in their ingredients is because if they are using oils that become sticky, they want that to evaporate off. They don't want that to stay on your skin. So they're going to put alcohol in it to help it come off of your skin so you don't have a sticky residue or an unsatisfactory feeling. Now, are you using products with aluminum or heavy metals? Your body can't metabolize those properly and you'll cause yourself future issues. Also, how much salt or sodium-based ingredients are you putting in your skin? Now, going to the beach and being in the sea salt is not the same as having salt in your ingredients. Be careful because you don't want to overdry your skin out one way or another. So I've given you quite a few fast facts about mature skin, but I also wanted to give you a little testimony of my own. It all started when I was 35 and pregnant, and I discovered some growths on my skin. My OB did say that that is due to hormones, and that is something that at my age I was going to start experiencing a little bit more. So I paid more attention to my cleansing routine. I added a couple steps like serum and toner And now I'm working on reducing fine lines as well as preventing further aging at least as much as I can. So I wanted to also give you a couple of great ingredients to look for that will improve and assist with mature skin. First off is chamomile. Chamomile is a great ingredient. It comes in a couple different forms. You can find it in oils, extracts, and in teas. It lightens wrinkles and fine lines. It is meant to soothe irritated skin. It's an anti-inflammatory, antifungal, antibacterial, and antiseptic. It also contains antioxidants. Additionally, it is hypoallergenic and helps to reduce skin irritants by neutralizing free radicals. Next, I have rose water. Rose water is a natural toner. It balances skin's natural oils. It can help reduce the look of temporary redness. It helps to naturally hydrate skin. It has antioxidant properties that nourish and protect the skin, and it smells delicious. It can also help prevent fine lines and wrinkles and diminish the look of existing ones. Then we have gardenia. It has ferulic acid that helps fight against fight aging and free radicals, thus preventing further UV damage to the skin. It is a mild anti-inflammatory, and it has some antiseptic properties. It will help refresh, revive, and soothe dried and tired skin. Next, I have cucumber seed extract that is rich in linoleic acid. It contains some vitamin E. It's a great anti-ager. It is great at helping keep the skin's protective barrier strong. It's also great at improving firmness and elasticity. It is antibacterial, anti-inflammatory. It diminishes signs of aging and promotes cell regeneration. The next one that I really want to talk to you about is rosehip seed oil. This is an up-and-coming product. You may notice this ingredient in more and more things coming out of the market. It hydrates, moisturizes, it helps exfoliate and brighten skin. It helps to boost collagen formation and helps reduce inflammation. It helps reduce inflammation. I can't say that for some reason. It helps protect against sun damage, and it helps reduce hyperpigmentation or redness on the skin. The next one is green tea. Green tea is a great antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and it has propanols in the green tea to help reduce sebum secretion, which can also lead to acne. So if you have oily skin or just acne-prone skin, it may be due to hormones, it may just be your normal skin. Green tea is a great ingredient for you, and that happens all lifelong. Next, I want to talk about vitamin E. It helps to prevent signs of aging, and it complements your SPF. Now, vitamin E isn't exactly an SPF, but it does have some properties of SPF to it. It keeps skin hydrated and calm. It reduces sun damage, so it can help heal your skin from sun, or at least help your skin heal itself. It can help reduce the appearance of scars, and also is a great moisturizer. Next, I want to talk about mushrooms. I threw this in there because I noticed mushrooms in two products that I have been using so far. The first I talked about a long time ago is a Shiseido essence, and that one had mushrooms and lotus in it. And then I have a mushroom and caffeine serum that I've been using from Pacifica. Now I found that reishi and shiitake mushrooms help to strengthen the body's natural immunities, and it reduces skin sensitivity by improving resilience and environmental irritants. So it helps strengthen your skin a lot. But I want to bring the information straight to you, which is why I tend to look for more medical or dermatological information versus just what's a great idea on Google search. Now, the last thing that I wanted to mention is actives. When you have sensitive skin or even aging skin, you have to be really careful about what actives you use. You don't want to just go out and use everything because not all of it is going to be good for you. And some of it is going to be too strong for you. But in light of that, the actives that seem to be good for mature skin are retinol, AHAs, which is alpha hydroxy acids, niacinamide, and collagen. Now, I am going to do a video about active ingredients and look a little bit deeper. So stay tuned if you want to learn more. I'm going to do a broad spectrum active ingredient video. But today, at least I wanted to give you a little bit of where to start if you are looking at actives. So always research, always test your actives in a little spot on your skin, maybe under your neck or even on your hand, sometimes the back of your hand, because that skin is very close to the skin on your face. And that way you can easily cover it with a Band-Aid if you have a reaction versus having a breakout or some kind of reaction on your face that you're going to be wearing all day long. Well, I really appreciate you listening to my video. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I love to do research. I love to bring information to you. So feel free if you want to learn a little bit more about anything that I've spoken about. Also, many of our products that are on our store page have a lot of these ingredients in them. So I encourage you, if you're interested in purchasing any, to have a look at our store and see if there's anything that interests you. You can always reach out to me by message, or you can talk to me on one of our many social platforms. Right now we have YouTube, we have Facebook, we have Instagram, and we have TikTok, along with email. And I have a business phone number as well if you have a couple things now that you'd like to talk about. Now, also, I offer a type of consultation if you want to talk more in depth about what's on the market, and I can help you decide for yourself what you think is best for you to use. So that option is out there. You can talk to somebody who's done a lot of research, who can help you and kind of weed through information for you so you don't have to take all of the time to do that for yourself. Again, thank you so much for watching. I'll have links in the bio and in the comments for, depending on what social media platform this is posted on, for more information. And as always, please reach out if you have any questions. We love you guys. We're praying for you. Have a beautiful day.